For your next AI project, tap into the collective intelligence of the global developer community and the world's best research labs. Artificial intelligence is slowly but steadily taking over the world, enabling a more comfortable way of life one person at a time, day by day. Would you like to be kept up to date on the latest AI developments? You've arrived at the correct location. Welcome to AI Tech Vision, where we discuss everything related to artificial intelligence. Subscribe to stay up to date with the technological revolution. Artificial intelligence technology is used in the advanced process of a machine making decisions based on logic. The development of conversational chatbots, self-driving cars, and recommendation systems demonstrates AI's global impact. It permeates many aspects of our lives and is regarded as one of the most exciting technological research areas. AI-enabled systems not only function as coded mechanized systems, but they also begin to think like humans. They are superpowered to the point where they can carry out tasks such as planning, strategizing, and making decisions. Artificial intelligence technology is rapidly evolving. Natural language generation, speech recognition, virtual agents, machine learning platforms, AI-optimized hardware, deep learning platforms, decision management, biometrics, robotic process automation, text analytics, and NLP benefit from its contributions. You've come to the right place if you're looking for open-source artificial intelligence tools that are often free to use and customize. You should learn and understand 10 free open-source artificial intelligence tools from the selections of this video that follow. Acamas AI. Acamas, founded in 2019, is a relatively new entrant in the open-source AI software segment, but it is supported by industry leaders AT&T and Tech Mahindra. The two companies wanted to deviate from tech behemoths like Microsoft, Google, and Apple, driving open-source innovation by making AI available for commercial deployments. That's how they introduced Acamas AI, a Linux-based design studio that can help integrate other frameworks and develop cloud-based AI apps. Acamas is a compelling open-source option for those looking for more AI accessibility. It standardizes the infrastructure stack, allowing you to develop and deploy AI applications more quickly, and it is compatible with the majority of major programming languages, including Java, Python, and R. The Acamas AI platform manages the entire lifecycle of AI/ML apps, from model creation to execution, enrichment, and marketplace publication. ClearML. Allegro AI, a provider of open-source tools for data scientists and machine learning labs, was recently rebranded as ClearML. ClearML also announced a free hosted plan to give data scientists the freedom to manage AI/ML experiments and orchestrate workloads without investing in additional resources. ClearML can be used in an MLOps solution that requires only 2 lines of code implement. ClearML has a slew of compelling features that are uncommon in the open-source space. Even when you choose ClearML free, you get 100 gigabytes of free storage, a 3-collaborator workspace, low integration development, and support for on-premise deployment. On the other end of the spectrum, a feature store is available for the more advanced product. In other words, ClearML perfectly balances the open-source simplicity with the feature set of traditional commercial platforms. H2O AI. H2O, founded in 2012, has been at the forefront of open-source AI innovation for nearly a decade. To drive large-scale AI and ML products, the company collaborates with tech titans such as NVIDIA, IBM, Intel, and Google, among others. The company was recently accredited by Singapore's Infocomm Media Development Authority, IMDA, solidifying its global presence and allowing Singapore's public sector organizations to benefit from H2O. H2O is ideal for enterprises just getting started with AI because it is an open-source platform that trains on your enterprise data. H2O can support your enterprise journey as more applications are developed by providing training, enhancement requests, AutoML, and other capabilities. Mycroft AI. Mycroft is a free and open-source voice assistant that can run in any environment. Several awards have been bestowed upon the company over the years, and it is backed by strategic investments from large corporations such as Jaguar Land Rover. Mycroft, in essence, uses open-source AI technology to power various elements of the voice stack. There is a large community of users, developers, and translators to improve the AI algorithms consistently. Unlike most open-source AI software, Mycroft is firmly focused on use cases. However, if you need a voice assistant and want to go open source, Mycroft is one of the most potent options available. OpenCV. Open Source Computer Vision Library is an extensive library of AI algorithms designed to address real-time computer vision functions. It debuted in 1999 as part of an Intel research project in the early days of AI development. It was taken over by a nonprofit foundation in 2012, and it now manages the community, user support, and developer assistance. The OpenCV AI Kit campaign was launched in 2020 to raise funds for new hardware modules. Companies interested in using AI-based computer vision to create facial recognition systems, augmented reality apps, and the like should look into OpenCV. Its extensive algorithm library, combined with learning support and complementary hardware, provides a comprehensive solution. Accord.net. If you're looking for a free artificial intelligence tool, Accord.net is a good choice. This application is a .NET machine learning framework that integrates audio and image processing libraries. This open source AI development platform provides statistical analysis, image processing, machine learning, mathematics, and computer vision. This software is a complete framework for creating production-grade computer vision, computer audition, signal dispensation, statistics applications, and commercial use. This software structure is divided into a library that includes scientific computing and signal and image processing. OpenNN. OpenNN is an open-source AI software library for building neural networks and machine learning, customer intelligence, and industry-specific analytics, including predictive applications, are among its primary use cases. Artelnyx, a company known for its groundbreaking AI and ample data research, develops and maintains OpenNN. Unlike some other open-source software on this list, OpenNN does not specialize in computer vision or natural language processing. Companies, teams, and independent developers looking for a peer-play open-source AI software library with no commercial gimmicks should strongly consider OpenNN, especially for predictive analytics use cases. You can benefit from its extensive documentation, which also serves as a helpful tutorial for getting started. PyTorch. PyTorch builds on the Touch framework for machine learning, which uses the Lua programming language. In 2016, Facebook's AI research lab released PyTorch, an open-source Python-based interface for AI/ML app development. A C++ interface for PyTorch is also available. Today, PyTorch has grown into a rich ecosystem that provides you with all of the tools you need to accelerate AI development from research to production. Among the top open-source AI software, PyTorch has the most diverse set of use cases. PyTorch can be used for more than just computer vision. It can also be used for audio processing, natural language processing, language translation, and other tasks. Rasa Open Source. Rasa is a popular open-source AI software for creating conversational interfaces. While the company's primary source of revenue is its enterprise product, it also has a robust open-source edition and a separate toolset for improving AI assistance. Rasa can be used to create custom ML models or to access its pre-built library of TensorFlow models. Rasa Enterprise adds SSO-based security, service-level agreements, and dedicated support to the open-source platform. Rasa is an excellent choice for mid-sized to large enterprises to build custom chatbots or ISVs looking to incorporate conversational capabilities into their software offerings. It not only enables large-scale collaborative AI development, but it also integrates with Slack, Facebook, Google Home, and IVR systems out of the box. TensorFlow. Google's TensorFlow is well known in the world of open-source AI software. It began in 2011 as an internal Google Brain Team project based on deep learning neural networks. As the company started to use the technology in various ways, it decided to open-source TensorFlow in 2015. TensorFlow, which has an active global community and extensive learning resources, is now the foundation of several popular open-source AI frameworks on the market. TensorFlow is intended for more mature, expert-backed applications, but it supports a wide range of use cases and can be used in various business scenarios. Companies should consider TensorFlow with long-term AI/ML investments or whose core business propositions is analytics. AI plays a vital role in day-to-day services. Because of the rapid advancement of technology and development, we anticipate that this technology will be used much more in the future. The free and open-source artificial intelligence software solutions mentioned above can reliably perform frequent and computerized tasks. Open-source artificial intelligence tools will improve the quality of your existing products, from security intelligence to investment analysis. Deep learning networks can achieve incredible accuracy with the best open-source AI tool. That's all there is to it for today. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comments section. We'll see you in the next one, we promise.